Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Pizzababy AJ here. And apparently right at this moment, Animal Jam is being hacked or something. We just learned about it from is she online? Not sure if she's online. Okay, all the crap. Clenzez? Yeah, we just learned about it from her. She says that she was hacked on 3 accounts in Animal Jam. So I'm pretty concerned about that. Bunnies Are Cool 000 has locked her den, and I just hope that we're safe in here, because if we're not, then I worked way too hard for all this stuff. Way too hard. I don't have much, but still. So, well, my mom's taking a shower right now. So, anyways, oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, well, I'll make another video if something happens. And I just hope that I don't get hacked, and I hope that Bunny doesn't get hacked either. Well, bye guys! I hope that you enjoyed the video. Become a pizza baby today and subscribe. Bye!